Kolkata police has only given 27 minutes of the footage. But why has the entire footage till date not been seized? And when the Kolkata police gave it, did they use a instrument called the blocker device?
What is it called?
Blocker device, because that ensures that the hash value does not change. And it is very important. What is a hash value? It is basically the fingerprint of any electronic document. Or the CBI has to seize the entire footage.
Mr. Solicitor, this aspect, which we highlighted last time during the course of the hearing.
Page, ground G, page 5. We have not.
Give us a minute. Just give us a minute.
Yes, ground G, not ground, my lord. Para number G, page 5.
But, Mr. Solicitor, can you not summon ask the state police to make sure that this is handed over to you?
It's not handed over. I'm,
You have to seize it. You are investigating.
that process is on. That process is.
40 days have passed. Whether it has been rewritten or not, that also we.
That's.
Devices can.
Have you seized?
The difficulty is, my lord,
Please
devices
ensure
are.
that you seize the DVR and just find out, have you used the blocker device or not? Because you have to ensure the authenticity of the hash value.
And whether it is overwritten or not, because the devices can be overwritten.
That depends on the capacity of the storage device.
See, CBI has to ensure, because today your investigating officer is completely in charge of your investigating team.
Correct.
Make sure that the CBI itself seizes the entire, the DVR and the entire video footage.
Or it has to be from before and it has to be after.
Absolutely.
And not only that.
Oh, you're absolutely right on
The
that.
troubling
You have-
factor is.
We have absolute clarity, you're right on that. And we hope that the CBI is going to do
The
that.
troubling factor is, my lord, that whatever was leaked to the media with regard to this particular accused, I am not going into that field. But, my lord, till date, the sketch map has not been shown to your lordship. Because from what I have learned is that the place where the camera was placed is not at the entrance of that room, seminar room. There are also other entrances and exits. That the CBI will investigate, because it could have come from the other side and gone. And my lord, the last thing is, my lord, lordships, why? Because from. My lord, the dead body challan, my lord, is now at rest because of the fact that it was shown to the Calcutta High Court. And my lord, we have footage. When the document was being looked at, I specifically said to my lords over there that this is the dead body challan. There was an acceptance and the thing was flagged. So there is no dispute that there is a dead body challan. My lord, the last thing is, my lord, on the ground.
Mr. Solicitor, just make sure, because even last time Learned Counsel had said that the dead body challan, that statutory form, was in fact shown to the Calcutta High Court. So ensure that your counsel there actually traces what was produced for the Calcutta High Court and hands it over to you, because has some bearing on what you have stated in the status
Yes,
report.
because we are not given that copy.
Or if there's any dispute, I bought
When
the
CBI, when the local police handed over.
You can hand it over to the solicitor right now.
Dependent.
I don't want to speak out of turn, Malas, this is an entire misstatement, but as and when your lordship give me
Let
opportunity.
the CBI, he has something in his custody. CBI will look into it.
Yes, absolutely, Malas. That
We have made a
5371 was handed
specific
over is a complete misstatement.
That when
Anyway,
we were given the documents by the Calcutta police, this is not what is given to us.
Right. What we will do is, apropos what the concerns are which have been expressed, we'll first record a short order. Please send a message across that the reason why we are not recording detailed reasons is simply because we do not want the investigation to be dislocated. Any word which we will say here should not put someone who is under scrutiny on guard and ultimately destroy the very cause for which all of you are appearing over here. But please rest assured that a lot of issues which you have raised in your in the letter by the parents, by Learned Counsel before us, is something which CBI has also flagged in the status report. But we will ensure that your letter, for instance, is looked into by the investigating officer, because there is a specificity about that letter.
Certain things are already done, but my lord, I'm not.
May I just
But it should be looked
point?
at, yes.
Just to say, since the matter, if my lords would consider, my lords is taking status reports. The matter is coming up before the Kolkata High Court also tomorrow. Then the matter, since it's being looked into and monitored by this court present,
My lord, it is simply adjourned.
there.
It is simply adjourned.
Adjourned.
Chief Justice is a seasoned judge with very long standing on the bench. He knows what to do. We shouldn't tell him what to do. Learned judge who knows what to do when the.
Just one last point.
May
Your
I
Lordships,
respond to some of the things that have been said by him, Milad? For example, he said, Milad, there is no sketch map, the sketch
Can
map
you
is
just say
here.
this?
I have never said there was.
Well, Lords, if we
One
may
second,
put
let's
on
not get
record.
into this repartee between members of the bar. If after you read our, or after we dictate the order, you feel that we have taken into account something and made any adverse observation against you, come back to us.
Well,
at
the
that
only,
point.
may I say, the only
Yeah.
problem is once this statement is made, Milad, that there was no sketch map.
I never said there was no sketch.
Well, that they-
It had been produced.
That's
by
what
other-
exactly he said. Mullah, that 5371 was shown to the High Court, Mullah. In fact, we have a complete answer for it because 5371 was never used since 1997.
But Mr. Sibal, we'd like one
Mullah, this is
element of
not,
cooperation.
what
by
happens is
Calcutta
their
Police.
statement goes on record.
No, but the Calcutta Police must also now cooperate with the CBI because they want the entirety of the footage.
Mullah, it's all there. Mullah, it's given, Mullah, 7 to 8 hours of footage is
Why
given.
would they?
Mullah,
It's a footage.
GRB, Ola, ask your police
Yes.
team. Has the,
Which team?
Asta, 1 second.
four hard disks.
Has the DVR been handed over to?
Yes,
the CBI?
yes. This is what happens, Mullah. The statement is made that it is not handed over. It is handed over in front of people, Mullah. It is not as doctors.
7 minutes, my lord. I'm director.
What's the point?
Hours.
7 to
My
8 hours.
director is here.
8 hours.
Not fair.
Well, it is the
Map
storage
also
device.
handed over.
DVR, not just the CCTV.
Everything is handed over.
Challan is not used. It's a
Now, Lord, we-
slip,
We have a taking over document here.
which has been signed
Mullah,
by CBI.
one second.
But that DVR.
We have a taking over document signed by CBI.
DVR has only 27 minutes.
What they are saying is this, that the DVR was handed over, but it has only a recording of 27 minutes footage.
It was sealed, Mullah. It was sealed.
But
They have opened it.
Maybe so it was sealed, but nobody can claim that, well, CBI has destroyed any.
We are
part
not
of
saying
it.
that, Mullah. We are not saying that.
But therefore CBI is saying,
But when they say I
out
don't
of
have,
what was sealed and given to us, there's only 27 minutes.
not true, not true.
7 to 8
Search and seizure.
7 to 8 hours.
Search and seizure.
Hard drive,
But it
7
is
to 8
relevant.
hours.
to 8 hours.
Because, my lord, the
Hard drive.
4 hard drives
seizure
are
of
given, Mullah. What's the
samples
point of this
is
kind of?
relevant.
But then, Mr. Solicitor, this is a matter for further investigation.
Yes, you
You have the SHO in your custody.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. Otherwise, things go on record.
Spot map handed over. Requisition slip handed over with the dead body.
Anything that can also be retrieved.
Of course.